a people person.
I'll be in later to give you a dish of cream, Queenie.
Oh, yeah.
And there will be some corn for you, Lovat, if you can lay me an egg for my lunch. Perhaps a brown one with speckles?
Brown I can manage, but I'm fresh out of speckles. Ha, ha, ha. What is this? There's a dirty footprint on the chair. Who is always in a place where it shows? Some people are so thoughtless. Why can't they step on the padding section like civilized folk? Never mind where they step. My point is that somebody has stepped it all. In our house. And look there. Whoever it was burst one of the pillows. Oh! It speaks. What are you? Animal, vegetable, or mineral?
I mean, I'm a duck.
Are you sure? Was your mother a duck?
Yes.
She must have been sick as a pet when she saw you. Oh, that's terribly funny. And thank you, dear. I don't believe I'd ever seen such an ugly duckling. What are you doing in our house?
I was sheltering from the cold.
Oh.
I saw the door was left open, and I didn't think it would hurt to step inside.
Not hurt! Not hurt! Well, let me just tell you that these footmarks you've left on the carpet will drive the old woman to grab the carpet free. And we just can't bear the smell of that stuff. Can we, dear? Oh, steady, Queenie. He's obviously going through the mold. Hormones running amok. Irrational behavior. Mood swings.
Oh,
I believe I like your tone, young person, my lad. And mind that, you'll be knocking the antimacassar next.
What is an antimacassar?
Well, I don't know, but it obviously works. There hasn't been a macassar in this house for as long as I can remember. That's awfully funny. You are a funny cat. Thank you, my dear.
A cat? A cat?
Yeah.
Are you a cat?
Of course, I'm a cat.
So are you going to eat me?
Oh no, don't be disgusting. Hey, stop. No, I've never been into this bird butchering business. Couldn't be doing with all those feathers. It's like eating a meal and flossing your teeth at the same time. No, the old woman poaches me a fresh fish.
But the old woman's a person.
What?
Well, doesn't she hurt you? And you're a chicken.
Yeah.
Well, don't you prefer it out in the yard?
Oh, you must be crazy. All that scratching and scraping? I live on the couch. Thank you very much. Sweeney and I are domesticated, you see. It takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we are clear. It takes all sorts to make a world, but we don't want them here. Our taste is good and liberal. Our views are well expressed. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that our source best. So you should be rather grateful that we have been bothering to enter into conversation with a river-rat like himself. You see, Lovat, so named because of an obvious deficiency in the leg department, she is normally most particular about who she chooses to speak to. I might tell you that Queenie is downright snobbish when it comes to social intercourse with poultry. I count myself most fortunate that our common interest in needlepoint has rendered us such close friends. When one explores the great One fears what may see. We're noble, rich, a perfect niche is here on the settee. Outside, the world keeps changing. It's a constant state of flux that doesn't suit domestic folk. It's best left for the ducks. Oh, it takes all sorts to make a world. On that point we agree. It takes all sorts to make a world, but we don't want to hear. Our taste is good and liberal. Our views are well expressed. It takes all sorts to make a world. It's just that our sorts.
I think my sorts.
No. Our sorts best.